Hi, my name is Lorraine Gambong from Davao City, Philippines. I'm 32 years old and a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Ever since I've learned about this virtual assistant career, it becomes my desire to become a VA. The reason are I wanted to work at the comfort of my home and at the same time be with my family all the time. Aside from that, what I really like about being a VA is that there's always a new learning for me. I also dream to have my own VA company someday so that I can help people get a job, especially for single mom out there. But for the meantime, my focus is in developing myself to become a professional virtual assistant. To reach my dream, I'm willing to learn everything. I'm ready to face all the challenges that I may encounter and condition myself that in any situation there will be a lots of discouragement, misunderstanding and failures, but with positive outlook in life, I believe everything will fall into right places. I am passionate about my family, my work as a VA, and making a better future for me and for my son. They are my motivation. There are times that I wanted to give up, but they remind me of they remind me that I need to strive harder so I can reach my dream. Well, mistakes are a way of learning for me, and I expect I could make them. But in every mistake I made, or in every mistake that I will do, I make sure that I will remember them so that I will never do the same mistake again. Well, they said that mistakes are a good teacher. Yeah, I believe that. Well, to sum it up, I'm a person who's up for a challenge and wanted to share my knowledge and skills for a worthwhile cause. Thank you.